Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best car hood LED light is probably one of the most versatile and practical upgrades you can make to your vehicle, offering enhanced visibility for nighttime repairs, a dramatic aesthetic boost for car shows, or simply making it easier to locate items in your engine bay. This innovative lighting solution transforms your car's hood into a functional workspace and a head-turning display, ensuring you're never left fumbling in the dark again. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend car enthusiast, this upgrade promises to elevate your automotive experience significantly, blending utility with a touch of modern flair. Number 5. Ropelux 2500LM Rechargeable Magnetic Work Light. Experience brilliant light with up to 2500 lumens, perfect for illuminating your entire workspace. You can easily adjust the brightness to suit any task. This light features a powerful 5200 mAh rechargeable battery, providing hours of continuous use on a single charge. A convenient power indicator lets you know when it's time to recharge. Equipped with strong magnets on both ends, it securely attaches to metal surfaces, keeping your hands free for the job. The adjustable design allows you to direct light exactly where you need it. Built to last, this light features a rugged construction with protective rubber ends and a durable lens cover. It's designed to withstand tough conditions and accidental drops. Ideal for a wide range of applications, from car repairs and inspections to general home use and outdoor adventures. Its bright green casing makes it easy to spot. Please note that the magnets are designed to adhere to iron-rich surfaces. They may not stick to materials like aluminum or carbon fiber. What we like. This light offers exceptional brightness with a COB panel, perfect for detailed work. Its long-lasting rechargeable battery means no interruptions. If you're a mechanic or DIYer who needs reliable, hands-free lighting for extended periods, this is your go-to option. What people say. The light is bright and illuminates the engine bay well. Easy to install with the included clips. The flexible gooseneck allows for precise positioning of the light. Number 4. Car LED Hood Light Strip, 70-inch. Introducing a revolutionary LED light strip designed to enhance your vehicle's presence. This flexible, waterproof strip adds a touch of style and safety to any car, SUV, or truck. Equipped with high-quality 50/50 SMD lamp beads, it delivers super brightness. Experience superior illumination that makes your vehicle stand out. Featuring a dynamic scan startup effect, it adds a cool, futuristic look to your car. Beyond aesthetics, it increases visibility at night, ensuring safer travels. Crafted from high-quality, non-heating silicone, this strip is both durable and flexible. It can be bent to your needs and is built for a long lifespan. Installation is a breeze with a strong adhesive backing. Simply connect the red wire to ACC and the black wire to the negative pole for a 12V DC connection. Perfect for all cars and trucks, it can be used as hood lights, door lights, or daytime running lights. Its versatility even extends to home decoration. What we like. This flexible strip adds a cool aesthetic to your vehicle with its dynamic startup effect. It's designed for easy installation and provides ambient lighting. If you want to enhance your car's look and add a unique flair, especially for show cars or those who appreciate custom lighting, this is a great choice. What people say. The light bar is very bright and illuminates the engine bay well. Installation was straightforward, and the included wiring harness made it easy to connect. The flexible design allows it to fit in various hood configurations. Number 3. ETOOLAB 3000LM LED Work Light. Introducing the ETOOLAB 3000LM LED Work Light, designed to brighten any task. With its powerful illumination, it's perfect for mechanics and car repairs. This light features an innovative sensor control, allowing you to turn it on and off with a simple wave. It's designed for ultimate convenience and power saving. Equipped with a 5200 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers hours of continuous use on a single charge. A clear battery indicator ensures you're always prepared. Strong magnets and sturdy hooks provide flexible mounting solutions. You can easily position it under the hood or anywhere you need light, from any angle. Constructed with durable, impact-resistant, and waterproof materials, this light is built to withstand tough conditions. It's your reliable partner for any job, rain or shine. Choose between two brightness modes, 3000 lm and 1500 lm, to suit your specific needs. Whether you need intense light or softer ambient illumination, it's got you covered. What we like. This work light boasts an impressive 3000 lumens and features a convenient auto on-off sensor for effortless use. Its durable, waterproof design ensures reliability in tough conditions. If you value convenience and cutting-edge features, especially for frequent car repairs or working in varied environments, the sensor control makes this a standout. What people say. The light is very bright and illuminates the engine bay well. Installation was straightforward and took about 30 minutes. The flexible gooseneck allows for easy positioning of the light. Number 2. Auxbeam P4 Series 4-inch LED pods. Experience lighting that goes beyond expectations. Our advanced LED pods feature high-efficiency chips and a specially designed reflector, boosting luminous flux by 300% for a brilliant 6500K white light with a wide 60 degrees beam pattern. They cut through the darkness, illuminating the road ahead and eliminating blind spots. These pods are engineered for extreme conditions. Rigorously tested for waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, and corrosion resistance, they are built to perform flawlessly. We ensure top-tier quality, keeping moisture and condensation out for lasting durability. Constructed with robust die-casting aluminum heat sinks, these lights dissipate heat efficiently, extending their lifespan to over 50,000 hours. The adjustable mounting brackets allow for easy directional changes, ensuring you get the perfect angle. Equipped with built-in EMC technology, they protect internal components and external electronics. Designed for 9-32V vehicles, they adapt to various mounting locations on your truck, ATV, UTV, or Jeep. We've included a comprehensive DT connector wiring harness, complete with a fuse, relay, and switch. The convenient plugs make installation and removal a breeze, so you don't need to purchase any extra accessories. Each package includes 2 LED pods and a complete wiring kit. We stand by our product with a 24-month warranty and dedicated customer support, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. These powerful pods deliver intense flood beam illumination, perfect for off-road adventures or challenging terrains. With an IP68 rating, they are built to withstand the elements. If you're an off-road enthusiast or need robust, long-lasting lighting for trucks, ATVs, or Jeeps, these pods offer superior durability and performance. What people say. The light is bright and illuminates the engine bay well. Installation was straightforward, took about 30 minutes. The flexible gooseneck allows for easy positioning of the light. Number 1. Underhood LED Light Kit. Introducing the Underhood LED Light Kit, a must-have for any vehicle. It's the perfect upgrade, especially if your car lacks factory hood lighting. No more fumbling for flashlights during maintenance or upgrades. This light strip spans your engine compartment, providing ample light whenever you open the hood. Easily see everything in your car's engine bay, even in the dark. It's a significant improvement over handheld lights, making engine bay inspections a breeze. Ideal for those who often drive at night or enjoy camping. You'll appreciate having reliable lighting for any situation where you need to check your car. Installation is straightforward with clear wiring instructions. It fits all cars, SUVs, vans, and trucks with a 12V power supply. This kit is waterproof, IP68, flexible, and UV resistant. Its ultra-thin profile allows for discreet installation in tight gaps. Enjoy both automatic on-off functionality when the hood is opened and a manual switch for flexible control to suit your needs. What we like. This kit provides universal fitment and automatic on-off functionality for any 12V vehicle, making engine bay illumination simple. Its waterproof and flexible design ensures easy integration. If you own a vehicle without factory hood lights and want a straightforward, effective way to see under the hood, especially for routine maintenance or nighttime checks, this kit is ideal. What people say. The light bar is very bright and illuminates the engine bay well. Installation was straightforward, and the included wiring harness made it easy to connect. The flexible design allows it to fit in various engine bay configurations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.